enjoy every moment. Recipe Aloo Anday. Take pan, take oil. Take to cut onion. Take chopped garlic, cut sliced ginger. Three potatoes aloo, and take 3 eggs. Pinch red chili salt, turmeric and eggs and mix all well. When onion brown, add cut aloo. Add 2 cut tomatoes, 6 chopped green chili. Add salt, red chili, turmeric, mix garam masala as your taste. Well, cook all. Then add 1 cup water so that aloo soft. Water dry, mix egg, add and well cook. Ready dish aloo anday, garnishing fresh green coriander and serve with roti.